Yeah, no, I'm finished. So like, you have to send some classical
I'm Maciek Piątek. I'm a filmmaker, VJ and video artist. I make films, short films mostly, and video poetry, which is a form of video art comprising poetry text, visuals, and sound. I think I always liked cinema and films. Back in time, never had the opportunity really to start making my own films, but then I've been asked to make a video poem. I make one. I realized that there's something there which I really love doing, and since then, in like 10 years, I've been making different kind of shorts, films, music videos, different video works for musicians, improvising musicians mostly, and for electronic scene also, people doing electronic music. The themes I pursue is mostly migration. I just realized it's mostly films is about migration, so it comes, I guess, from my experience as an immigrant, being outsider in a way. So I think it was quite natural for me to pursue those themes in my films. I think the first film I made was a video poetry film. Someone who was running actually a film festival found it on the internet and said, well, we would like to screen this film. And I was quite shocked in a way that actually it was good enough to screen it. So that was kind of really boosting experience to my work. It gave me a lot of confidence to do what I do. Today is about making video poetry film, 1 minute video poetry film. I have 16 participants and we'll try to make 4 films. My dream project would be making actually a feature film. I've been working recently on one and hope to finish it maybe next year. So feature film. I never really had a mentor, anyone who actually I could go to. I would say I was trying to follow different filmmakers myself. So it's kind of self-studying experience for me. And the best piece of advice I've been given, it was my friend who said, if you want to make films, just start making films. Artists should get involved in making a session because it's the best way of getting experience working with people. At workshops, it's good because you can actually show your work, your skills. You can share your skills with people, and you can see results. What they can make out of it. So that's why. I would like to thank the whole I.O.U team for helping me with the session, for allowing me to use the space, and for providing actually all basics, always supporting me throughout my career. Thank you very much, guys.
The stuffed cabbage is supper. The smell of potatoes cooking is never far away. I come from a house in the woods, from a family that gave me thick-set uncles, a big nose and a small Croatian fat. Sorry about that. I was just trying to...